Hey everyone, welcome back. In the previous parts, we imported animations from Mixamo and set up our character body 3D. Now in this part, we're going to bring everything together and make our character fully playable, with movement, running, jumping, and animation blending. Let's start by setting up a camera. Add a spring arm 3D as a child of the character. Then add a camera 3D inside it. Position it behind the character so we can clearly see movement in the scene. Next, let's create a ground. Add a static body 3D. Then a mesh instance 3D with a plain mesh. Set the plane size to 1000 by 1000. Now assign a standard material and set the albedo texture to a grass texture. If the texture looks stretched, scroll down and set the UV1 scale to 100. This will tile the texture properly. Now let's add collision. Add a collision shape 3D with a box shape. Scale it to match the ground size. Especially X and Z to 1000. Also make sure your character's collision shape is properly aligned with the ground. Let's test it quickly. If we press play, we can see the character and the ground, but there's no lighting yet. So now, let's add a world environment. Create a new environment, set the background to sky, and assign a procedural sky material. Next, we'll add lighting. Add a DirectionalLight3D. Enable shadows and rotate it to -45 on X and 45 on Y. Now when we press play again, we get proper lighting and shadows under the character. Now let's set up the animation tree. First, set the root to animation node StateMachine. Then assign the animation player and enable the animation tree. Next, we create our locomotion system. Add a BlendSpace 1D and rename it to locomotion. Then add idle at position 0, walk at 1, and run at 2. Now let's add the jump animation. Create a new state for jump. Then connect locomotion to jump using a condition parameter called isJumping. For the transition back, set it to switch at the end so the animation completes properly. Also make sure the start node connects to locomotion. Next, we'll set up input controls. Go to Project Settings, then Input Map, and add Move Up, Move Down, Move Left, Move Right, Run, and Jump. Assign keys like WASD, Shift, and Space. Now let's add movement logic. Attach a script to Character Body 3D and paste in the script from the description. This script handles movement, gravity, and jumping. We also connect the animation tree. We update the blend position for idle, walk, and run, and we trigger the jump animation using the isJumping condition. Quick tip: Mixamo characters can be high poly, so saving your scene as a .scn file can help reduce lag. Now let's test everything. Press play, and now we can move, run, and jump with proper animations and shadows. And that's it for this part. We've added the camera, environment, and lighting, and set up movement and jumping using AnimationTree. Now our character is fully playable. In the next part, we'll make it even better by adding camera rotation using the mouse.